Hi everyone. Here are the top kitchen design tips that are both stylish and functional. As we move into 2024, the trend is leaning towards smart kitchens. Think integrated appliances that can be controlled via your smartphone and innovative storage solutions that maximize space without sacrificing style. How about a hidden walk-in pantry behind those sleek cabinet doors? Now, for the heart of the kitchen, the island. This year, multi-level islands are all the rage. They offer separate areas for cooking, dining, and even working, making them the ultimate multifunctional space. Plus, adding stylish bar stools can turn your kitchen island into a social hub, perfect for entertaining guests or a quick morning coffee. Lighting is also crucial in modern kitchen design. Instead of one central light, opt for layered lighting solutions. Pendant lights over the island, under cabinet lights for task lighting, and a few strategically placed spotlights can create a vibrant, inviting atmosphere. Lastly, don't forget about sustainability. Eco-friendly materials are not just a trend, but a necessity. Bamboo flooring, recycled glass countertops, and energy-efficient appliances are not only good for the planet, but also add a modern touch to your kitchen. So, whether you're doing a full remodel or just looking to update a few elements, these modern kitchen design tips will help you create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Thanks for watching and subscribe.